Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you export audio in Premiere Pro, only audio. So guys, to export only audio in Premiere Pro, just click on this file, click on export and media or Adobe Media Encoder according to you. I'm selecting media, and after that here you can see the format. Click on it and just select the audio format, which audio format you want to export. Just like if you select to MP3, it will be on MP3. You can custom the presets, and after that just click on export, and here you can see the file is exported and you can see the file location. You can just go there and see the file location. So guys, that's how you can export audio, only audio in Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.